How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. How does it feel to be so pretty?
How does it feel to be so pretty?
Pretty.
Am I supposed to feel that every day?
यार इतनी खूबसूरत हो I sometimes wonder कि कैसा महसूस होता है. Everybody comes and says आशा कितनी प्यारी है यार.
Yeah, मैं simple सा thank you बोल देती हूँ. It's a nice feeling. So thank you.
It's such a beautiful feeling, no? आशा, मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. You are the one who's come from humble backgrounds. You are an engineer. You are a supermodel. You are an actor. इतनी कम उम्र में so many things. How's the journey been?
The journey has been fabulous. Yeah, I think the very fact that I took go with the flow and grow with the flow. That's the only thing that kept me going. So I was in NCC, then उसके बाद engineering, फिर उसके बाद Miss India, and उसके बाद अभी acting. So yeah, I'll go wherever life takes me. Yeah.
That must be like an amazing journey, you know. I mean, everybody dreams of a journey like this.
Really?
Yeah. आप सोच के देखो ना, बचपन में for all girls, everybody thinks I want to become a beauty queen. You got that? मम्मी पापा कह रहे.
The only thing is, बचपन से कभी नहीं सोचा था कि beauty queen बनना है या actor बनना है. I'll be very honest.
What are you saying? So when did the skida happen then?
So I came back from NCC and I was doing my engineering and I think my parents read an ad about Miss India happening. So they called me up. I was in the hostel. They called me up. They're like, "Oh, beta, the Miss India auditions are happening. Hey, I get, आपको try करना चाहिए करके." I was like, "What?"
Okay.
What? And they're like, "Yeah, like my dad is from Bangalore and he's a huge fan of Aishwarya Rai. So he was like, हाँ मेरी बेटी लंबी है, मेरी बेटी अच्छी है. I think she should try." So my parents and my sister filled up the form for me, and then here you go.
Wow. So what you're saying is you didn't know that you were so pretty. Your parents and your sister thought that नहीं यार हमारी बच्ची बहुत खूबसूरत है.
I mean, it's not just about like pretty or whatever. It's just that मैंने उस direction में सोचा ही नहीं कभी. Like
you were always a studious girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Studious at the same time, like into dancing, into theatre. School के time से I was doing all of that. My parents knew that I had some potential. I didn't. But the moment I came to Mumbai, मैंने pageant journey start किया. Then after my pageant, I started giving auditions for films from 2016, and that's when I started getting positive feedback, and that's when I realized, okay, fine, I think I can do it.
Wow. And I have to tell you this, you've had a brilliant journey in such a small time. You've kind of made a lot of mark here. मतलब academics में the parents must be saying कि मेरी बेटी जैसी कोई है ही नहीं और क्या पढ़ती है, engineer बन गई है.
But the thing is, even like बचपन से पढ़ाई का भी ऐसा नहीं था कि बेटा first rank ही लाना है या 90%, 95 ही लेके आना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. So it was more like ठीक है, like it's important for you to know whatever you're studying. It doesn't matter 90%, 95, whatever. But जब आप इतना passion के साथ पढ़ते हो या कोई भी काम करते हो, then ultimately you end up doing it well. I think that's the funda, yeah.
Wow, but that's like a great journey. What is the what actually changed your life? So, आपकी इस journey में what is one thing which actually is like a life changer? क्या मैं बराबर देख रहा हूँ, वो देख रहा हूँ.
Life changer most certainly would be my pageant, yeah, Rahman. I'll be 100% honest. Life changer would be my pageant because you went in there with absolutely like no expectation. So, yeah.
There was a call. Sorry, I think I've kind of disconnected. Wow, too bad. Can you hear me, Asha?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Asha, I'm so sorry. Yeah, these, sometimes, okay.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Here we go. Hi.
Hi, I can hear you.
Sorry, there was a call which came in. Yeah, मुझे आपके फैन को भी कॉल करके बोल रहे कि इस आशा really with you.
Oh my God.
Everybody's just trying to figure out that is this for real? Is this for real? Is this like आशा वाकई में आपके साथ है या नहीं? Okay, आशा.
हाँ.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है?
अब मुझे तो सुनाई दे रहा है.
Oh my God, I think there's a little bit of feel. I'm just trying to get your voice back in this. Yeah, एक सेकंड आशा. So we're back.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. कितनी प्यारी आवाज है आशा. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, so Asha, it's been good. So yeah, you were from NCC. आप NCC में थे आप.
No, I said my pageant was life-changing, to be really honest. So you go in there with absolutely no expectation, and once you win, then your life completely changes around. I mean, for better in my case, yeah.
Wow. So how have you changed as a young girl to now? What are the things which have come into you? Now you're like a Bollywood star. आपने acting कर लिया, आपने pageant जीत लिया है. So what is one thing which is actually how? क्या हुआ है? बताओ. क्या change हुआ है life में?
क्या हुआ है? I mean, like practically surrounding environment, everything. बहुत सारी चीजें change हुई है. I've uprooted myself from South. I live in Mumbai now. I'm parallelly doing South and Bollywood at the same time. So all that factors have changed.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't think I've changed as a person, yeah, Rahman. I haven't.
You haven't, no? Okay, for all who was joining just now, hi, my name is A.K. Rahman. With me, Asha Bhatt. Beauty queen, actor, engineer, plus she's not from Mumbai, she's from Karnataka, Bhadravati. Namaskar, Chanagidra.
Oh, nice.
Chanagidini. See, I know a little bit of
Kannada. You did your homework.
The Kannada baratte ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Oh, ಇಷ್ಟ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, just to impress you, I thought. So I tried to do a little.
Kannadiga fans will be very happy.
Yes. Yeah, there you are. So how's the journey been? I mean, lockdown, yaar, abhi you've been doing a whole lot of things. Lockdown mein kaise? How are you treating yourself?
पहले के 7 दिन तो मैं सो रही थी. Because I was shooting, I came back, it was more like a vacation. But उसके बाद I was like, यार कितना सो, कितना क्या करूँ? So I take up some acting classes. I've been brushing up my Spanish. I've been dancing, working out, cooking.
Wow.
FaceTiming with all my friends and family all over the world.
Wow.
Doing live for my friends.
It must be a good feeling, no?
I think good feeling थोड़ा हद तक लगता है, but अभी I think it's all about being hopeful that in the end everything's gonna be all right.
So lockdown has actually given you that little break which you always wanted.
Yes. So I think like last year when Jungly released in March, so I think from that March to this March, almost a year, I hadn't taken a break. So
oh my God.
Back to back. And,
So what is the best part about being in this profession, in being a beauty queen and an actor? Is it the money? Is it the passion? Is it the popularity? What?
Money is not a driving factor. Obviously, I can't be like, okay, nahi, bina iska chal jayega. But no, definitely it's not the number one driving factor. Passion, I would say yes, because to every day wake up, be a different character in front of the camera, and to be able to express in front of so many people, and getting a gratifying response from the audience, I think it takes a great deal of confidence and self-assurance to put yourself out there to emote everything, and that you can do only if you're passionate about what you're doing.
Actually. So what kind of person are you? If you have to describe yourself in like 3 words or 4 words, how would you describe Asha Bhatt?
Number 1, I'm an ambivert. So I'm a mixture of extrovert and introvert. I'm a very blabber, yappy kind of person. When I have my set of people, I'm a very completely different person.
Wow.
Discipline, that is something that NCC has taught me, and I have carried it along in every single profession that I have taken. What else? I'm calm.
You're calm. It shows on your face. There's a lot of there's the feeling of nirvana is on your face. कि मेरी जिंदगी में सब कुछ हासिल हो गया. मैं बहुत सुकून में हूँ. In the meantime, hello everybody. Hey, welcome to Fun Ki Baat AKR के साथ. We've got a lot of friends right here. A lot of Kannadigas as well. We've got Sonam Chabra, one of the finest anchors we've got. We've got Asha Bhatt fan, Mallu Yadgir. Yeah, so many people from across the country. Gorgeous Anjali. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hey guys, thank you for coming online.
Wow, so super. और क्या चल रहा है? So that's like a lot of things which are describing you as a person. But Asha Bhatt को गुस्सा आता है?
आता है. गुस्सा. गुस्से से ज्यादा चिढ़ मचती है. Like गुस्सा very rare. Like गुस्सा आने के लिए it should be like something very major. Only then I'm gonna lose my temper. Otherwise, when I'm hungry, I get hangry. Asha heart on an empty tummy is dangerous.
Dangerous, you know. So what irritates you the most apart from hunger?
Someone who comes late, like someone who's not punctual.
इसलिए मैं बोला ना टाइम से जाना चाहिए. See, she's impressed, you know.
See, I said 9 to time पे आप लाइव पे आ गए सर.
मैं 8:55 से मैंने बोला यार आशा भट्ट से मिलना है. So we got to do that. So super, yeah. So the biggest attribute of yours which keeps you going. See, there's a lot of lockdown and quarantine and all this which is happening around. There's a lot of negativity, depression. What is one thing which makes you, which keeps you going? Positivity में क्या आपका कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट है?
रहमान, it's hope. माँ बाप ने नाम आशा रख दिया, निराश कैसे हो सकते हो?
आशा आशा आशा.
See, the very fact, yeah, absolutely. Being hopeful, and I'm filled with gratitude. I know there are a lot of people out there who, you know, सड़क पे है, ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं. इन सबके बावजूद हम फिर भी घर पे बैठे हैं. We are safe, you know, we are eating. So I think it's important to know and feel the gratitude within and be hopeful that we are in this together. Problem सबको हो रही है, and you know we'll come out of it.
Absolutely.
That's
wow. No, positive. मतलब you know you should become a motivational speaker also sometime. कभी जिंदगी में मोटिवेशनल ये भी चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. Now इतने सारे लोग आप पे फिदा होते हैं. How do you handle all the adulation?
I don't know how I handle it. I don't know, but I do reply by saying thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not really good at taking compliments. I'm not.
Really? Do you get a whole lot of proposals?
Proposals? नहीं यार, नहीं. Actually
क्या बात कर रहे हो? मतलब इतनी प्यारी लड़की हर कोई आपको बहू बनाना चाहेगा. बोलेगा बस सारे अंकल बोलते नहीं आशा जैसी होनी चाहिए.
मेरे सामने तो नहीं बोला है. शायद मेरे दोस्तों को किसी ने बोला था. हाँ, ये लाइक यू नो ऐसी ये माँ के पास लेके जाने वाली लड़की.
Yeah, so you know that's like a big compliment. You know, for times like this, it's a very big compliment.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it is a very good. But you know, just the flip side of it, the weirdest. Have you got any weird comments, proposals, तारीफ, which suddenly has taken you aback? Oh my God, ये क्या है?
Yeah, I think the weird one would have been आपके पैर कितने अच्छे हैं, like the feet, like the toes, they're so proportional. I'm like, I don't know what to say, but I'm like, I guess.
That's a weird one, but I'm still trying to understand कि you know आपके पैर यार चेहरा देख ले भाई पैर बाद में देख, you know it's like that, you know. Okay,
that's why it's all weird. Now you never know. I mean, like, okay, fine, thank you.
You know how would someone look at you? अच्छा आशा, you know ये मतलब पैर.
मैंने जरूर सोचा नहीं यार. Actually, now that you're enacting, I can think about it. What were they even thinking?
I swear, imagine somebody's right standing in front of you, बोले मेरी आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करे. से नहीं wait. Yeah. Okay, when is Robert release? You've done a film, Robert Queen.
Oh yes, I think fans are asking about it.
Yeah.
I think my director would be the right person to talk about it because currently though COVID के situation में I don't think we're gonna take some more time. Or a lot of, I think they're saying a lot of Kannada. Bro, you speak Kannada. People are asking if you speak Kannada.
ಮಗ ಏನ್ ಮಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. All our ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಎ ಕೆ ರೆಹಮಾನ್. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಶಾ ಇದಾರೆ. I hope that is enough. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. All right, but okay, I'm going to put you in like a little fix now. I'm going to ask you tricky questions. If you're supposed to be locked down on an island, one person you'd love to take and go. You need no non-diplomatic answer.
Oh, my sister. We'll have fun. She lives on an island. She lives in Hawaii, so that's why
wow.
I go there. We have so much fun. I think if it's an island, then it's going to be sisters together.
Rephrasing the question, one man you'd love to take and go to an island.
Chris
Don't tell your papa and say my father, he's got no. ये सारी चीजें नहीं है.
I just said Chris Hemsworth.
Okay. Any Indian man?
नहीं रहने दो.
Okay. Achha. I just was about to create a controversy. I was just about to say, what do you think of Shivraj Kumar?
What do you think of?
Shivraj Kumar.
Boss, like amazing. He's so like he's the most experienced actor, and as a child, like, and he's also such a good dancer. The entire like Puneet sir, Shivraj sir, all those guys are
amazing guys. It's very nice people. Yeah, very nice people. I've actually met them.
Very nice people, and the way they dance. Oh my God, fab. It's too good.
Wow. Achha, coming back to the questions, Island का आपने बड़ा ये बताया. Are you like this normal girl who's got these fantasies? What is your weirdest fantasy?
Weirdest fantasy?
Fantasy. Weird छोड़ो. Your biggest fantasy.
I think COVID के time पे पूरा wash out हो गया रहमान. I really like my brain's not on a tangent anymore. It's become so monotonous and boring that now I really have to think about what's the fantasy.
क्या था? सोच के बताओ.
बचपन में था कि मैं राइफल चलाऊं और मैंने वो किया. Yeah, I fired a P-56 when I was in NCC cadet.
Wow.
Yeah. So that was there. उसके बाद से I don't know. I have to think about it.
Nice.
Thanks for that question. It's gonna keep me awake tonight.
So राइफल चलाया. अखियों से कभी राइफल चलाया?
मैंने तो नहीं चलाया. सामने से नहीं चलाया.
Your biggest crush?
Biggest crush?
Yeah, biggest crush.
Okay, yeah. So it's been Hrithik Roshan since I was a kid.
Okay.
It's a dream to work with him.
So Hrithik Roshan is right here. First two things, what you gonna say?
First of all, I'm gonna greet him. Like, hey Hrithik, what's up?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna be like, I'm your huge fan. And then I will, I love your dance moves. And then I'm just gonna go on and blabber till he says stop.
So you just keep talking, and then Hrithik Roshan looks at you. Asha, wait.
Yeah.
Asha, you know what? Asha, रुको एक सेकेंड. क्या तुम जानती हो तुम कितनी खूबसूरत हो? जब से मैंने तुम्हें देखा है, मैंने जंगली में देखा है, जब से मैंने तुम्हें कन्नड़ा फिल्म में देखा है. I've been talking about this to everybody. मुझे तुमसे प्यार सा हो गया आशा.
I hope he says that.
What's your answer? I'm putting you in a situation.
But I don't think मैं वहाँ पे खड़ी रहूँगी. I would have been like, I said call 911.
But honestly, you're such a multi-talented artist, a person. I heard you've got a lovely voice as well. आपकी आवाज, हमने रिसर्च किया, हमने बहुत सारे there's somebody who said you've got a lovely voice. So please मुझे ये बताओ कि आपकी गायकी आपने सीखा है या फिर is it
Carnatic music सीखा है.
Wow.
And I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. So that's a nice South Indian family, you know. Academics and cultural activities go hand in hand.
इतना टैलेंट लाते कहाँ से हो?
इतना टैलेंट लाते कहाँ से हो? थोड़ा बहुत तो सीखा है. I think थोड़ा बहुत genetic भी है. My mom is a fabulous dancer.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so let's listen to a song. I want you to sing a song for us. Come on, let's do this.
Sing a song.
Yeah, I want you to sing a song for me.
I don't know. A lot of Kannada people ask me to talk in Kannada, speak in Kannada.
We've got somebody who
song.
Actually you can do that, but there's somebody who said please Kannada matadi, and there's somebody who is saying Gujarati में बात कीजिए.
गुजराती મને નહીં આવડે છે.
કેમ છો મજામાં? કેમ છો મજામાં? All right.
Probably like 2 lines in Kannada.
Please. We want you to sing a Kannada song.
ತುಂತುರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ
Wow.
ಕಂಪನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಡು ಹಗಲ ನೀನಿರದೆ ಹೇಗಿರಲಿ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯ ನೀ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ತುಂಬು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನು ಕಣ್ಣ ಹಾಡಂತೆ ಕಾಯುವೆನು. So this is for my Kannada fans.
Such a beautiful singer you are. You have no idea what a beautiful voice you have. You know that?
Oh, thank you.
No, but honestly, it's a complete package. We've got a lot of friends saying, Ruxi says you look so pretty. I'm a big Asha fan. We've got Kannada, Madhuri. Okay, there's another one. I'm so proud of you. Super. Thank you very much. But you know, it is amazing. You're like a complete package. Yeah, बस आपको देखकर बस यही कहना चाहते हैं कि चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम चांद से है दूर चांदनी का लौट के आना है यही तुमको जा रहे हो तुम जाओ मेरी जान
You yourself
जाओ
Dude,
awesome thank you Asha thank you
that you sing.
I just got inspired by you. Honestly, मेरे को गाना वाना कुछ नहीं आता. मेरे को कन्नड़ भी थोड़ी आती है. But you know, it's always nice to get inspired, yeah.
But you sing really well. Yay.
Thank you, Asha. Thank you. Your journey with being a beauty pageant winner, and you've actually represented India on Supranational. That is such a big height. Tell us about it. Run us through that.
So I got crowned at my Indian pageant, and I think I had just 12 to 15 days max to prep myself and leave for Poland. That's where my pageant was happening.
Correct.
And, you know, a lot of things were running on my mind, you know, like the work, and I have to prep myself for the interviews and, you know, fitness and everything. And from now on, I just had to realize that I'm no more Asha Bhatt anymore. It's like I'm India, you know, I'm going to be addressed as India, representing 1 million people. It's a huge responsibility as such. So all I had in my mind was I'm going to take one day at a time, one step at a time, not worry about the finale. And we had a 30 days of the entire pageant that went on for 30 days. And I'm more like a techie person, so I'm like 1 out of 73, what would be the probability? So I didn't worry too much about मैं जीतूंगी नहीं जीतूंगी क्या होगा क्या नहीं. I didn't but yeah, and when they called Miss India, that was a very moment. It didn't sink in as such, but I felt the weight of the crown on my head, on my shoulder, and I was like, okay, it's right there. I mean, this is for my people, this is for my country, and I was the first person to get the crown. So indeed, it was a new experience for me, my team, almost everyone. It was all so new.
Wow. You know, you really, you've carried this very gracefully. You've really worked through that. Now, it must be a big responsibility after winning that.
Indeed, it was. It's more like you're the shadow to the organization. Once you win, you're more like a spokesperson. So you'll have to travel a lot, meet different organizations, do a lot of CSR activities and everything that the organization stands for. So yeah, I got to travel so much, like more than 10 countries, representing the brand, representing my country, everywhere that I go. Indeed, a huge responsibility. But then you get to pass on the crown, but the title stays with you.
Wow, that is so cool. Yeah, do you know that you're a mentor for a whole lot of people? I told you this, and one of my dearest friends, Suman Chalani, is a big she adores you so much because when she was going for Miss Intercontinental, you were the one who actually guided her, and she really has a lot of good words for you.
Oh, that's so sweet of her. For me, I know like what my journey has been. So even if I'm able to help even a single person who can get inspired what I've been, and you know, if I'm capable enough to help a person, then why not? That should always be a reason.
Wow. So there's a lot of positive. What is one negative about you which you want to correct?
Overthinking. I overthink a lot, and I'm self-critical. So you don't have to tell me what's wrong with me. I already know, and I'm overthinking about that. So that's like one negative trait of mine, which I'm constantly trying to work on. Which is fine.
Wow. होता है, that's all right. What is one thing you're very scared of? जिंदगी में एक चीज है जो मैं खोने से डरती हूँ. One thing you're scared of losing.
I think the fear of losing your loved ones. That's
Wow, it is scary, yeah.
Yeah.
About you, something about you if you are scared of losing.
Something about me.
Yeah. Like for me, it's my voice. You know, मेरी पहचान, मेरी आवाज ही मेरी पहचान है. So I'm really scared of losing my voice. So that way, what are you scared of losing?
For me, I think it's gonna be myself over the journey. It could be acting or anything else. I like to stay more as authentic as possible, and I wouldn't want to lose myself in order to gain something. So I'll hold on to myself as much as possible. And yes,
Wow.
that would be something that I would be scared of. Yeah.
You're like a very principled, ideal girl. No, do you have any बिगड़ी हुई लड़की कभी नहीं थी? मतलब ऐसे कि बस कोई बोले कुछ पंगे की है लाइफ में. What is the biggest पंगा you've done?
बिगड़ी हुई का definition change होता रहता है. I'm like बिगड़ी हुई in front of my parents. I take her around like that second child. I have a sister, the pampered one. So we call it Vivaha, and I'm like that with them.
Have you beaten up किसी लड़के को मारा है, किसी लड़की को मारा है, किसी मारा है?
School.
अच्छा. That is a big high, no? किसी को तो what is your favorite गाली?
Khadi.
गाली. बिंदास अपना कॉन्वर्सेशन यार, ये दिस अपना कॉन्वर्सेशन है यार, किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे. ओके गाइस, कान बंद करो. ओके, दिस इज बिटवीन मी एंड आशा.
रहने दो.
ईशा,
गाली I'll tell you. I can tell you. बचपन का गाली was you donkey, you monkey. That's it.
अच्छा. वो बचपन में स्कूल में होता था एक बड़ा डोंकी. Oh boy, this is so much fun. Yeah. Okay, like you said, male crush Hrithik Roshan, correct? Female crush हुआ है कभी?
Of course, yeah. Like really, like the sassiness of Priyanka Chopra. She's amazing. The way she interviews, the way she carries herself.
Two things you want to change in yourself. You really worked on yourself on a lot of things, and you've become so good. You're like a role model for a whole lot of people. But you still, do you have anything which you want to change in you?
Attribute-wise, as I said, my overthinking nature, for sure.
वो एक चीज चेंज करना ना, दूसरा कुछ नहीं.
रहने दूंगी because it's when I say being authentic, I believe in also keeping my flaws to me, and I think it's important to be flawed as well.
Actually. No, are you planning to pursue singing as like a part-time? You dance very well. आपने Carnatic गायकी सीखी हुई. So what next? You've almost done everything, yeah?
I would love to sing for my film someday.
Wow. Which is a Hindi song which has been doing rounds in your mind? Hindi गाना कोई आप गाना चाहेंगे? Yeah.
अच्छा, कोई गाना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, जो
I love Momo के धागे. Amongst the old songs, I love एक ख्वाब, कभी कभी, लग जा गले, and all these things. So yeah.
क्या बात है, सुना दो लाइन. नहीं सज्जनों, आपका स्वागत है. मेरा नाम AK रहमान है. दिस इज फन की बात AKR के साथ. हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही प्यारी गायिका है एंड इनका नाम है आशा भट्ट. अगले कुछ सालों में ये बहुत सारे गाने गाने वाली है एंड आज एक पेशकश होने वाली है. Here it is.
भी गाना हो जाए, मैं पुराना वाला गाना गाऊंगी.
Okay, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. बस हो गया, 2 लाइन काफी है, वरना लोग लाइव से भाग जाएंगे.
तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू मुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. Brilliant. And you've got Suman Chelani जो आपकी बहुत प्यारी सी फैन नहीं फ्रेंड है जो अडोर करती है, फैन भी है, तो आपको ज्वाइन कर. You want to say hi to her? She's right there.
Where? Like, I didn't hear you.
सुमन चलानी आपको देख रही है, जिन्होंने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है. You want to say hi to her?
Hi Suman. Thank you for being so kind. All your kind words. Reman told me. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best for all the future endeavors in your life. And may all your things.
मेरे लिए भी दुआएं कर लो यार, मेरे लिए भी कर लो यार.
अरे ये दुआएं लाइफ में देखो आपके लिए क्या ज्यादा है वहाँ पे.
अरे नहीं यार, that's so kind of you. But honestly, Asha, it's been a beautiful journey. आगे क्या करना चाहेंगी? I mean, of course, films is the way to go. What kind of roles you want to do?
I'm really looking forward for a periodic film. I would love to do.
Yeah.
Second,
Like
an action film. Anything, a periodic drama. And an action film someday. So these two I'm like really most forward, like looking forward to. Let's see, fingers crossed.
Have you learned martial arts or stunts? कुछ सीखा हुआ है?
I do.
Wow.
I'm a boxer. I also do like taekwondo and everything. So yeah.
Wow, super, yeah. But of course, ये सारी चीजें. How do you control your diet? Are you a foodie?
I am a foodie. I don't control my diet. I just work out. I make sure I burn whatever I eat.
Yeah, so vegetarian, non-vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
Yeah, मैं भी vegetarian हूँ यार, मैं बहुत बड़ा vegetarian हूँ. बस weekly 7 बार non-veg खाता हूँ बस.
That's it. Good.
Yeah, 7 days. Okay, so you told me that you want to do films and periodic. अगर आपको कोई character define करता है, there's some character in the industry which defines like a Bollywood actor or who relates to you. I mean, you're a very bubbly character, but yet subtle and composed. So who is the one you relate with?
You mean like Bollywood actor?
Bollywood actor, yeah. Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, Lollywood.
I never looked at it that way. Probably, I don't know. I really don't know. This is a really tricky question. I haven't seen anyone up close that much. I don't know. Like one Bollywood person. A lot of people are already telling me I'm looking like Deepika or I talk like Deepika in this life.
And everybody's somebody told me that you look like Deepika Padukone and everybody's talking about Robert release kar do dekhna hai.
Robert, I know, even I am waiting for Robert. It's been a wonderful experience. Like Darshan sir, Tarun sir is my director. Darshan sir is the hero.
Okay.
And he's like the boss down south. He's like one of the top-notch people in Kannada film industry, and he's so humble. He's so patient, and we all have worked so much for this film with like technicians. In fact, today, Labour's Day, we released a behind-the-scenes video with all our technicians, and film na bas do log ka kaam nahi hai. More than like a lot of people involved, like behind the camera, and it's very important कि हम उनको भी credit दें.
Absolutely.
Today, the Robert team has released a video, and I think सबने बहुत मेहनत की है, and people have to see it. And even I'm waiting for my film. April 9th को release होने वाली थी. Because of COVID, we had to push it. नया release date तभी निकलेगा जब कोरोना सब कुछ settle हो जाएगा.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कब कोरोना जाने वाला है?
यार मेरे को नहीं पता. ये बात बहुत जल्दी हो सके चला जाए.
यार कोरोना के लिए बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये खाओ वो कर रहे कोरोना. I was interviewing Rakhi Sawant the other day. She was saying कोरोना वायरस कहीं से भी घुस सकता है. बोल रहे she was giving the weirdest of suggestions. So
I mean, I don't know about food or whatever, but at least you can have a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C to build your immunity. That's it. उससे कोरोना जाएगा नहीं जाएगा doesn't matter, but it could build your immunity for sure. Immunity
बनी रहेगी. Okay, शादी और live-in?
शादी.
Dumbbell और mobile phone?
Dumbbell or mobile phone? Best of both.
Gym, diplomatic. Okay, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to name some people and you need to define them in one word, okay?
Okay, shoot.
बड़ा सिंपल सा है. ओके.
नहीं होगा. हाँ बोलो.
बहुत. या सी यू आर एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. ओके. मैं अगर मैं किसी और को पूछता तो पंगे होते. यू आर दिस गर्ल हु इज वेरी सॉर्टेड हियर. ओके. या सो सचिन तेंदुलकर.
मास्टर.
दर्शन.
बॉस.
राहुल गांधी.
कांग्रेस.
Arnab Goswami. No, I was expecting something else. Arnab Goswami.
Republic.
क्या है ये? Shoot it, baby, shoot it. That's what you're telling, you know?
So,
Okay.
you said don't be diplomatic and be smart. So
ये क्या है? This is over smart. This is not smart. This is too over smart. You know? यार पढ़ लिख के ना आदमी कितना इंटेलिजेंट हो जाता है. This is like amazing. And I know now I realize this is engineering student के साथ मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो naturally
this is just being like ठीक है, not getting.
You're smart. You're very smart. Rakhi Sawant.
Extravagant.
इतना तो राखी सावंत को किसी ने बोला भी नहीं होगा.
Jeez, in every
रजनीकांत. Thalaiva. Rajkumar.
He's more like God, yeah. Like
actually
God
he's
film industry. Yeah.
God of film industry, amazing. All right, so there you are. We had so much fun. Yeah, it was brilliant. And Asha, you've been so gracious. I really loved talking with you because for the first time, I kind of gelled with a person without we haven't even spoken before. So it's like and this has gone like makhan. It is amazing. So God bless you with a lot of happiness, success, and may you keep shining, doing a lot of stuff. And lockdown में जाते जाते ये बताओ कि आपने किया क्या है? What have you done in lockdown which you've never done before?
Which I've never done before.
हाँ.
Cook for 30 days straight. Because I've never been in one place for 30 days straight. So here I had to make breakfast, lunch, dinner, all three. I used to decide my menu. मैं कल क्या बनाऊंगी? फिर YouTube पे check करो, videos check करो. It's like परसों क्या बनाऊंगी? Like I used to plan my meals, what to eat. और खाने वाली मैं अकेली हूँ. फिर भी it's like cooking 30 days straight.
So what is your favorite? So what has been your favorite dish? सबसे अच्छा क्या बनाया? क्या पकाया नहीं बोलूँगा because बॉम्बे में पकाया मतलब बहुत पकाया है इसमें.
So it's this amazing onion soup, Japanese clear onion soup, which I personally love. मुझे actually मेरे हाथ का खाना पहली बार कुछ अच्छा लगा तो वो था.
अच्छा, तो मैं कब आ सकता हूँ onion soup के लिए?
Please, quarantine के बाद.
Quarantine के बाद, of course. And what advice you want to give all these guys who are there? जो इतने ढेर सारे लाखों के आपके fans हैं, जो उनको क्या advice देना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो सबसे पहले बोलना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज बी सेफ, स्टे एट होम. आई नो दीज आर वेरी टफ टाइम्स. बहुत ऐसा मन करेगा कि घर के बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आते जाते रहेंगे, एंजाइटी आता जाता रहेगा. बट जस्ट ये जान लीजिए वी आर इन दिस टुगेदर एंड जस्ट बी होपफुल. इन द एंड सब ठीक होगा एंड जस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाटएवर यू गाइस हैव एट दिस वेरी.
Wow. We've got a lot of people who are asking, say something about D-Boss. What is that?
D-Boss, दर्शन सो को साउथ में कन्नड़ इंडस्ट्री में बॉस, D-Boss बोलते हैं.
Okay.
बॉस के बारे में बोलना ये मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ दैट बॉस इज एन ऑल राउंडर. सो उनके साथ ऐसा है ना कि आप उनके साथ कोई भी टॉपिक पे बात कर सकते हो एंड ही हैज utmost knowledge on that subject, be it food or cinema or music or animals and location, travel. So उनके साथ सेट पे इट्स मोर लाइक एजुकेशनल, बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिलता था. सो एंड आई थिंक ही ट्रूली डिफाइंस बीइंग द बॉस.
Wow, amazing. So Kannada में कुछ बोल देना because we have a lot of Kannada fans who've joined in. They so much want to listen to you in Kannada because somebody told इनको make him speak in Kannada. Somebody's asking Kannada.
So probably I'll leave a message for all my Kannada fans in Kannada.
Yeah, do that.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೇ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಜೊತೆ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾದಾಗ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಮನೇಲಿರಿ, ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕ ಆಹಾರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ತಲುಪ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಂಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
Wow, that is so cool. And बहुत सारे हमारे fans, so many people asking, telling that A.K. Rahman should speak in Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. You joined in को कैसे बोलते हैं? You joined in my live.
You join, ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ बताऊंगी but yeah.
So all the ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರು
Thank you. Wow! Oh boy, amazing guys, this is amazing. We've got Asha Bhatt, जो of course Bollywood में तो शाइन कर ही रही हैं, कन्नड़ा इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत सारे शाइन कर रहे हैं. And thank you very much. It's been brilliant. So जाते बस एक ही चीज, Asha, you've been gracious enough to be here and speak with me. It's been brilliant fun. And
Asha is mine, Rahman. You've been amazing. You've been spontaneous. You've been so like happy go lucky. आपके साथ बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was like talking to a friend on the same frequency. So it was really nice. Pleasure's all mine. Thank you for having me on your page.
Thank you very much. And सारे लोग जिन्होंने भी अभी तक आशा को फॉलो नहीं किया, फॉलो हर राइट नाउ. आशा, ये मेरे बारे में बता देना.
हाँ, मेरे फॉलोअर्स भी, आपको बहुत सारा मसाला, न्यूज, अपडेट जो भी चाहिए, बॉलीवुड, साउथ, whatever it is, follow रहमान.
Yes, there you are. It's A.K. Rahman. Guys, जाते आशा के लिए बस उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा गाया. It's just that we're going to do this and say bye-bye because it is like हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां
नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से,
फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो,
शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rahman. I had a really good time. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Stay blessed.
God bless you and keep shining. इसी तरह हमें एंटरटेन करते रहिए. हमारी दुआएं, हमारी ब्लेसिंग्स, हमारा प्यार आपके लिए हमेशा बना रहेगा. And all you friends out there, thank you for joining in. It's fun की बात AKR के साथ with Asha Bhatt. I'll see you next time with another fantastic artist. तब तक के लिए stay safe.
All right. Ciao. Bye bye.